school. And yeah. So, I was supposed to have my first day of classes on site, but all of my profs decided to cancel all my classes. I have nothing to do, but I will still go to the campus to validate my ID. Now I'm doing some org stuff. Give him a pat.
Congratulations.
So I am done prepping my face. I'm about to go to school soon. I don't really have a class. All I'm gonna do is eat lunch with my best friend, meet some of my friends, and have my ID validated. So since I'm not going to class, my outfit is not very class friendly, I guess. It does not fit the dress code. This is my outfit. My shorts are thrifted and my top is from Arrow. Hello!
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog!
Oh, you guys can go.
Guys, say hi to Rafi.
Hi!
He was not supposed to wear a jersey today.
Nagbago yung first day outfit.
Yeah,
Supposed to wear a better looking shirt.
Well, ngayon casual na.
Because nawalan kami ng
Yes,
klase.
Liana from Yes Content.
Again, same, we're blockmates.
And we're actually all course mates.
That's right.
You're my friend.
Oh.
And we became friends because of math 2.
We're dying kasi ang init. And there's so many people. Intercession was a ghost town. Now it's like, tingnan mo may festival, may music festival.
We're going to the, where are we going?
So we're gonna eat lunch.
I didn't know that.
Don't say it's not A-okay.
Oh, let's interview you guys. Sisig Eaters, how was it?
Andrew Blast,
Is it overhyped? We have opposing teams. Okay, do you like the sisig?
Feel it getting more mad with God as my witness.
I'm home. I'm in the condo. So much people. And I think I'm like really shy. My best friend's gonna go here though, so that's fun. So, meet my bestie. She's so studious. There's Adeline.
It's the first day.
How was your first day of school? Cool. Guys, also Simi's on the floor because I can't let her. Can't stay in the bed because I'm still dirty. So
Even I'm still dirty.
yeah, still on the floor. Call us Jennifer Lopez because we're on the floor.
Thank you, Rian. Who wants to go next?
Is that a hot dog and rice? Thanks, Natalie. Everyone, so this is my outfit of the day. It's very casual. Looks like I really did not want to go to class, but this is the peg. Guys, I'm with Maria. Hey guys, I'm Louise, follow me. 9:08. And our class is 9:30. It's so hot.
5, 6, 7.
Yes naman. Hi everyone.
We're walking to our next class.
Not really. Online.
It's pretty ratchet.
There's nobody here.
Film beside Martin. So how many seatmates Martin has?
Nobody likes us. Thank you po, sir. Gosh, that class was pretty long. Guys, so I'm done with the meeting. Now I'm gonna go out with my bestie.
Catch me if you can again. Hold me if I fall. You will know when. Don't look down your feet. It's in your hands when it's time.
The day was really fun, and yeah, even if it was pretty tiring. That's pretty much it for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. We're going to our first class. What's our first class?
It's like
This is so much energy.
Ya nunca lo sabrás.
So this is Ravi's outfit.
Que siempre te he querido desde que yo te vi.
Hi guys, so I'm changing to my gym outfit. Gym outfit, is that a word? My outfit, because Rafi and I are gonna go to the gym. He's just waiting for me downstairs. Let's go. Guys, Rafi's my coach. Who made that? Fun.
Too late in all the laughter. Holy moly, you're so funny. You crack me up, you crack me up. Look out.
Good morning, everyone. I have a class at 8. It's 7:57, and oh, my hair's so funny. I sat there and watched Interstellar, and now I'm watching like the last part. Hi everyone. So this is my outfit for the day. I am going home, so this is like really casual, I guess. This top is thrifted. I got it from a really nice carousell store. My trousers, you guys know this. This is one of my favorite trousers. This one is from Depop. We see how boys dress, and they just wear like trousers, like straight cut trousers, and a really like a shirt. I think that's really nice. I like it. Guys, ang tagal kong hinanap si Mario.
Ano ba?
I was like balik-balik ako sa Umiikot lang ako, and they're like, huh, this girl has passed 3 times na. Anyway, we're going to our PE class. Hi guys, we're done with our class. Now I'm going home. Guys, I'm home. A dog. Hello. Hello, my love. I'm so happy I'm home. Guys, I'm finally home. Tomorrow is a really busy day. I'm not even gonna stay home. So now is my only now is the time I can rest. But I still have a few requirements to do. There's so much. But first, my agenda. This is my sister. dirty. Yeah. Okay, so I did the first thing. I called my gym because they were not accepting my credit card. And I have to go outside because one of my scramble mates has to give me a mic for tomorrow. Wow, I've never been so really excited. Tomorrow's my first VS Cup gig. I'm really excited. So by the time that I uploaded this vlog, it's probably like my segment's already there. I don't know. We'll see. Now I want to show you something I got for school. I bought some loafers. For the whole of junior high school, my school shoes were hush puppies. And they're just very durable and they're very comfy. And I wanted to buy some loafers for college. Like beaters lang. And I found them. I found the ones that I wanted here. So let's open this. I'm not sure if these are like too school shoey, but I really like them. Anyway, I think these are like really good beaters. So I'm really happy with my purchase. I think that ends the vlog. I don't have classes anymore tomorrow, and that's the end of my 4-day school week. Yeah, I don't think I have anything else to show you. I really want to spend time with my family. We're super glad to be home, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.